a popsicle scream as he whispers, come closer, let's solve a little problem. He taps the board with a frosty grin. Now children, let the counting begin. 1, 2, 3, but don't fall behind, or the cold will nibble at your curious mind. He slides a ruler made of frozen steel. Add your numbers carefully or you'll feel the chill. Time to get frosted. Tick, tick. Time to get frosted. Tick, tick. Add it up before your answers get lost. Tick, tick. Multiply quick or the cold might bite. Divide too slow and you'll freeze tonight. Tick, tick. Don't let the math slip. Fractions drip like ice cream on your fingertips. Solve it right or the freezer door creaks. Math gets spooky when the numbers speak. The creepy calculations. Rod twirls a cone like a wizard's wand. Let's talk equations, my frosty little font. X plus 7 equals 10, what's X? Solve it wrong and the freezer gets text. He laughs, the lights flicker overhead. Don't fear the fractions, fear the ones unsaid. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, oh dear. The smaller the piece, the closer I appear. He scribbles, grabs shape like icy claws. Plot the line correctly or break the math laws. Time to get frosted again. Tick, tick, time to get frosted. Subtract too slow and your breath gets frost. Graph that slope or the cold might rise. Positive climbs, negative dies. Tick, tick, don't let the math slip. Decimals danced on your trembling lips. Round them wrong and the freezer hums. Math gets spooky when the cold wind comes. Fuzzy geometry in the freezer. Rod draws shapes in the frosty air. Triangles, circles, all beware. A triangles, angles, add to 1/8. Even if they don't, things get shady. He taps a cube made of frozen mist. Volume is length, width, height, don't resist. Surface area, count every side. Miss even one and the cold will glide. He whispers softly, math is neat, but it's colder when you repeat. Tick, tick, don't let the math slip. Solve the puzzle before your brain gets frost. Algebra chills, geometry bites. Statistics whisper in the freezer nights. Tick, tick, class dismissed maybe. Rod waves slowly, you solved it bravely. But as the freezer door creaks open wide, math is colder on the inside. Tick, tick, don't let the math slip. Solve the puzzle before your brain gets frost. Algebra chills, geometry bites. Statistics whisper in the freezer nights. Tick, tick, class dismissed maybe. Rod waves slowly, you solved it bravely. But as the freezer door creaks open wide, math is colder on the inside. Tick, tick, don't let the math slip. Solve the puzzle before your brain gets frost. Algebra chills, geometry bites. Statistics whisper in the freezer nights. Tick, tick, class dismissed maybe. Rod waves slowly, you solved it bravely. But as the freezer door creaks open wide, math is colder on the inside. Tick, tick, don't let the math slip. Solve the puzzle before your brain gets frost. Algebra chills, geometry bites. Statistics whisper in the freezer nights. Tick, tick, class dismissed maybe. Rod waves slowly, you solved it bravely. But as the freezer door creaks open wide, math is colder on the inside. Tick, tick, don't let the math slip. Solve the puzzle before your brain gets frost. Algebra chills, geometry bites. Statistics whisper in the freezer night.